Let's talk about XCN. Its full name is Onyx Coin and its short form is XCN. Right now it's sitting at 1.4 cents. If you don't know what is 1.4 cents, you see this zero in front of it. When there is a zero, it is 1 cent. When there is no zero, it's 10 cents. It's something basic, but of course I see some comments that people say that they don't understand what is 1.4 cent. So I'm taking a bit of math classes as well, because in second grade we were not there. Anyway, the overall situation of XCN is pretty much the same we discussed last time. Our first area of interest is the area of 1.45 cents, and this is the area of 1.45. Yesterday it made an attempt towards 1.45 and it failed, and today it is sitting. Sorry, it was not yesterday, it was today when it made an attempt. Sorry. It is today's candle that made an attempt towards 1.45, and then of course it failed. Things have not changed since then. 1.45 is not a bullish support area, it is a bearish support area, which means that XCN is supposed to react to this area a lot while it continues the journey towards 1 cent. Of course, it's crazy because from 1 cent to 1.45, it's a 45% move. It's something crazy as a drop if we look at it, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. We talked about XCN being in a case scenario where XCN can be bullish. If you look at it on 4 hour, XCN has this structure of falling channel. Now this falling channel is a bullish structure, which means that if it starts giving a breakout, which it is trying to do right now, then what would happen is that first it needs to go and conquer the area of 1.45. After that, what we would expect is to start shooting up towards 1.6 and then all the way up towards 2.2. The lines are not there, but I have covered this coin so many times by now. You should have learned this thing by heart. 1.6 is a bullish support area. Once this coin gives a breakout of this region with 2 daily candles, today's first candle, we get another candle, and hopefully it goes and conquers 1.45, which means it has 2 daily candles closing over the area 1.45. Then I would expect it has turned bullish. Downward journey is done, and now XCN wants to go and hit 1.6, and after that all the way up towards 2.2. But if XCN is not able to conquer 1.45, which is right around the corner, I mean it's sitting at 1.41 right now, 1.45 is not far. It did make an attempt a few hours ago, so it's not that much of a stretch. If XCN is not able to conquer that, then I think you should prepare for the further downward journey. Further downward journey would be, of course, first it would drop towards 1.2 cent, then all the way down towards 1 cent, which is 1.0 cent. And that's pretty much it with XCN. There is nothing else to add. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.